Here we show our new Fujitsu Livebook U507-4. It's with the new Haswell platform, and you have HDMI, USB on the left, on the right. You have an SD card slot, earphone, and for connectivity UMTS. Full touch functionality, and you have inside a trusted platform module. And you have a full case from metal, magnesium case, brushed aluminium. This means you have all features you need for business and for private to work secure if you are mobile. And the important thing, you have 11 hours runtime for the battery, that you can use it the whole day. The Livebook U507-4 starts with a price point from 999 include tax, but it depends on your wishes you have, because you can get this system built to order like your needs you have. And we have the possibility to deliver a separate model, the U554, and this is without touch for all users who prefer Windows 7.